Okay, I'm a complete idiot, but the BMW 128i also has a design flaw. It's not helping. I can't gain access to the trunk. It's battery activated via a button on the driver's side. Although without a battery installed at all inside the trunk, because I removed it, I can't open the trunk. You can try to use these leads, which work only if you already have a battery installed, even if dead, in the trunk. You can attach a battery or a jump to the positive and then the ground terminal here. Although if you don't have a battery, like I said, at all installed in the trunk, this will not allow you to pop that button to release the trunk. So in order to gain access to the trunk, I'll show you what I did in case you also need to do the same at some point. On the rear passenger side of the vehicle, you can crawl back in here. In order to remove that grill, come in here with a screwdriver, or in my case, a panel remover, and pop that off. There's your speaker. Remove that using some sockets. Once that's removed, you'll see in here a cable. Cable's right here. This is not electrical, this is a mechanical cable like you see on brake wires on old bicycles. Peeled back this sheathing, the plastic covering on the exterior. I used a utility knife to do so. And then you'll have to pull this cable. And the pulling of the cable will release the back seat here so it can come open. In order to pull that cable, I used some needle nose pliers and twisted this cable to apply some tension to it. That eventually released the back seat. The back seat can now open like so. And now you have access to your trunk and that green glowing handle. Pull that, now you mechanically can open the back of your trunk. And now I have access to my trunk. The new battery is already installed, but don't remove your battery entirely without ensuring that you do not close your trunk.